My name's Mr. Perry, physics teacher at Ruthin School, and I'm going to be showing you a few demonstrations that you can do at home with some basic equipment. So let's get started. So for this experiment, you're going to need a few bits of equipment. You're going to need a paper clip with a small thin bit of thread attached to it and just tied on nicely like that. A small little bit of blue tack, and then any normal magnet that you might have that sticks on your fridge. And this is a really easy one to make a levitating paper clip. Okay, so what you want to do is lay out your paper clip with the thread on the desk in front of you. Take your blue tack and just blue tack over the end of the thread and then get it so it's nice and stuck down onto the desk so that that piece of thread isn't going to go anywhere. Then gently lift up the paper clip, bring your magnet nearby, and you should start to feel a force of attraction between the two of them. And if you get the positioning just right, you can get your paper clip floating there. And it will move around. Follow it. Now, a further investigation you can do is insert different materials into the gap and find out which materials will block the magnetic field and which ones will let it pass through. There you go.